For years, your favorite software YNAB has changed the way countless people spend their money. Now, we're taking it to the next level.
Time to add my new yoga class category.
It looks like you're creating a new category. Would you like to add an emoji?
Wait, you can add emojis?
Introducing Spendy, your personal YNAB assistant.
It looks like it's grocery day. Your category total is currently $250.30.
Okay, Spendy, I see you.
Powered by AI, designed to learn your habits.
It looks like you're making another Target purchase.
What? Wait, how are you
Would
here?
you like to create an impulse spending category?
I'll pass. Thanks, Spendy.
With multiple app integrations.
It looks like you've overspent on takeout again.
Are you serious right now?
Do any of these job listings interest you?
Honestly, Spendy, that's kinda rude.
With suggestions to optimize your spending.
Okay, you're fine. He won't be there. It's okay.
It looks like you're assigning dollars to that yoga class you never go to.
Enough!
Would you like to delete it or keep pretending you'll actually go?
Oh my gosh, how do I turn this thing off?
You'll realize you can't live without it.
It looks like you're about to make a mistake. Would you like to do something else? I'm sorry, Dana. I'm afraid I can't do that.
What? No. Just leave me alone!
Spendy, your new best friend. Coming to YNAB April 1st.